Hello, class, and welcome to week 6. It's been great so far. I can't believe we're getting close to the midway point here. Studying the first 4 articles of faith. I've really appreciated your insights, discussions, and everything else that you've been participating in throughout this course. Some great thoughts. Testimonies have been shared. This week we'll have the opportunity to be studying articles of faith number 5 and 6. We'll be changing a few things up, and we'll go through that real quick here. Again, any questions can be posted to the questions and conversations tab there. The introduction portion here with the video that introduces the articles of faith for us. Also share some great truths. The first portion of this course, we've been studying the theology and soteriology in Articles of Faith 1 through 4. The next portion from Articles of Faith 5 through 9 will focus on the ecclesiology and the canon, and the introductory video does a great job of introducing that and presenting some questions to ponder throughout this week. The learning goal focus is becoming a gospel scholar, and we look forward to your thoughts that you'll present as you submit your reflections and synthesis project. The study assignments that we see here, 2 main emphases, priesthood authority and priesthood keys. Some great resources there, great talk that we can see here, not necessarily talk, but Oliver Cowdery's description of the restoration of the Aaronic priesthood. If you haven't ever had the opportunity to read through that at the end of Joseph Smith history, it's a great read and some wonderful insights that we can gain from that. And the priesthood keys here that we see. Not a ton of reading, but some great study material for us this week. Those study assignments lead to the study group initial insight posts here, and you've been doing a great job collectively as a class. The initial insight posts have been great. Again, the 3 passages from the study material, sharing what you like about them and what it helped you to learn, paying attention to connections, patterns, and themes that you see. And then make sure you post at least one question to go along with that. That question will engage the study group. Just one reminder, this week you'll be in new study groups, so they'll be switching up a little bit. Might be a good idea to introduce yourself a little bit. I'd suggest you do that as we get to interact with some of the other students in the class. It'll be a good thing. And then after you get the initial post done, we go to the final insights that we share here. This is the one that we've been seeing a little bit of problem with. The invitation is to read all of the posts made by your group members and then select 2 of them, 2 of those group member threads, and answer the question that they posted. Expound on the comment offered in the original post, add more insight to the conversation, draw on your own understanding. And we've been doing great with that, sharing from our own understanding, our own personal experiences. But it does say be sure to use this week's study assignment material to help shed more light on it. So you should be quoting scriptures. There should be scripture references or words of prophets or insights from Oliver Cowdery that we would share with that are referenced that we can add to that discussion as we go through it. And then the optional enrichment is to provide that positive feedback to your peers for the great work they're doing and helping us understand these truths more fully. The reflections and synthesis, we just download that template and you go through. You've been doing a wonderful job with those. They've been great. The weekly report's pretty straightforward. We've got that down by now. You will notice that there is a mid-course evaluation that you will complete there. Not that I'll get necessarily the exact answers that you provide in that mid-course evaluation, but you will receive points that you have completed it. It only takes 5 minutes to complete. Invitation to just go through and participate in that. Again, the idea is to help make this course better, to help make me as an online instructor better. And so please take the opportunity to do that. Really appreciate and respect your insights and what we can do to make this learning experience better for you. Grateful as we study the Articles of Faith number 5 and 6 and focus on the priesthood and priesthood authority and the scriptures and how that can help us to come closer to the Savior. But I look forward to hearing your testimonies, your personal experiences that we've had with Articles of Faith 5 and 6. Keep up the great work. If there's anything I can do for you, if there's any thing that comes up which prevents you from meeting a deadline for an assignment, please reach out and email to me, and so we can make any necessary arrangements so that this course is something that you feel like is a blessing in your life and not a burden. Thank you, and hope you have a wonderful week.